Hey guys, I just wanted to share this little project that I'm starting because I'm really excited by the idea. So I just saw a video like last week on David the Good's channel about replanting pineapple tops, and so I immediately got excited and brought home a bunch of pineapple tops from work because I work at a grocery store and we do like fresh cut pineapple and all that. So I probably have way more than I have space for. I think I have like 12 or something. But the basic idea is that you pull back all the leaves at the base until you begin to see the little roots that are there, and then you can plant this, and over time it's going to have a new pineapple grow out the top. And I was so excited to learn that. I'm like, yes, let's do it. So I have a little space that I've started. This is probably way more pineapple tops than this space should have. I'm going to put a few here and maybe find another spot to put the rest. But from what I understand, this is a good way to jumpstart growing pineapple. It'll cut down on how long one takes to grow. It might still be at least a year, but I'm excited to experiment with this. This is the sort of thing that I love. I've also heard that you don't even have to pull back the leaves. You can just plant this, but it'll take a lot better and a lot faster if you pull back the leaves and reveal those roots. See if I can do it one-handed. And if you didn't know by now, pineapples grow in the ground. They're not from trees. So, here we go. I can see a couple. Let's see if it will zoom on there. So there's some little budding roots at the base here, and the more of these leaves I pull off, the more that will be revealed. And you can just plant that, so I have learned, and you can get a little jump start on some free pineapple. So I am quite excited to give this a shot. I am not a super pineapple fan, but I am a fan of garden fresh things. So if I can get garden fresh pineapple, it's probably going to be amazing. So I am quite excited to give this a shot.